Hey, what's up? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the bottom base from a Dell XPS 13 version 9365. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First, remove bottom base screws. Now lift system badge and remove hidden screw. Then use fingers to pry apart and remove bottom base. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.